If you are assigned draft or approval rights, you can send a one-time payment or create a template for recurring payment transactions. ACH batch payments allow you to make multiple payments at one time. Create a template by clicking the Create Template link and selecting ACH batch from the dropdown. You can send a one-time payment by clicking the New Payment button and selecting ACH batch from the dropdown. When building a template, enter a name for it, then select the users that can have access to it. You can only select users that have the draft right for that transaction type. This step is skipped if you're making a one-time payment. Next, choose an SEC code using the dropdown. If your configuration requires subsidiaries, select a subsidiary account using the From dropdown. Select the account the funds are being taken from using the Account dropdown. For one-time payments, select the effective date using the Calendar feature. Then click the Set Schedule link to decide how often the transaction should repeat. Note, this step becomes available when you are sending a payment using an existing template. Next, you can select your recipients. You have a few different options. Option 1, click the Add Multiple Recipient link and check the boxes next to all the recipients that will receive payment. Option 2, use the Recipient Account dropdown to select a recipient and click the Add Another Recipient link to add an additional recipient. Option 3 differs depending on if you are sending a one-time payment or creating a template. For one-time payments, you can use the Upload from File link to upload a CSV, comma-separated values file of the recipients that need payment. The CSV is created in your accounting software and must include the recipients' names and amounts. For templates, at least 2 recipients must be selected from the Import Amount link to appear. From here, you can upload a CSV file of the recipients that need payment. If you need to create a new recipient and you have the Manage Recipient right, click the New Recipient link and follow the appropriate steps. If you didn't upload a file, enter the amount to pay each recipient and then click the Save button if you are creating a template. Depending on your user rights, click the Draft or Approve button to complete your one-time payment.